हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप लोग? आशा करते हैं ठीक ही होंगे गाइस। तो आज मैं आपके लिए कुछ नया तरकता भड़कता डीपी कॉन्सेप्ट लेके आया हूँ, जो कि काफ़ी एडजस्टमेंट डीपी भी हो जाएगा, व्हाट्सएप डीपी कुछ में भी लगाइए, बिल्कुल एडजस्टमेंट इजीली हो जाएगा। एंड काफ़ी रियलिस्टिक लुक लग रहा है, काफ़ी हार्ड लग रहा है, बहुत हार्ड लग रहा है भाई। देख सकते हैं आप, फुल एचडी में एडिट किया, कितने जूम कीजिए कोई चेंजिंग नहीं गाइस। तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को पूरा देखना, स्किप मत करना। इसके अंदर जो भी पेज यूज़ करूँगा हमेशा की तरह इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स। So please concentrate on this video, and because this video is so hard, and the most important thing, if you are watching first time, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So let's go on the video, and I hope this video is good for you, and please enjoy this music. So let's go.
Sometimes I say that I want you back, but I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good days we had, but there were bad days too. And I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know that's la la life. Baby, let it be. Enjoy the memory. Oh, that's la la life. That's la la life. Love is like the phases of the moon. And I know you would say I gave up way too soon. Sometimes I say that I want you back, but I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good days we had, but there were bad days too. And I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know that's la la life. Baby, let it be. Enjoy the memory. Oh, that's la la life. That's la la life. And like the phases of the moon. And I know you would say I gave up way too soon.